dryer. This is a Biko control dryer. I don't know what's the problem. Let's check it. Let's open this and check what's the problem. Keep in touch, guys. I see the look in your eyes. I know she's mine. She's mine. Let's be the problem with this control. Let's check together, guys. Keep on watching. You know you're everything that I can looking for, and how look into your eyes could ever last for more.
Master, give your...
Yes, what's the problem? Master namang master.
No power. This one no power.
This is no power?
No. Other one. T. Other one T. This okay, but other one not a star.
What do you...
Candy. You know candy?
Yes, candy.
Yeah.
The
Yeah.
hexagonal. One white giga 5 dinar.
Where is your 5 dinar?
Kam sa talatong giga mo nila. Don't forget Raja may
Raja and king.
Raja ana. Hey. Take this handle.
Okay.
Sway. This board has no power. Let's try. This is my headset, guys. I know you're everything that I can looking for, and how look into your eyes could have asked for more. Let's try to put power, guys. Let's put power, guys, and check if it is power or no power. Let's try. This is a Biko dryer. Biko dryer. My tip is not good anymore. Soldering tip is not good anymore. Need to replace this, guys. I need to speak English, guys. Even my English is not too much good. For the people that understand Tagalog, it's better to speak English to understand what I'm talking about, guys. Let's try, guys. This is no power, guys. Nothing happened, guys. Nothing happened. No power. See? This is the power switch, but nothing happened. It must be display. It must be have a display. I gonna get my get my let's check the supply, guys. It is a if the power supply is good, let's check together, guys. Okay, let's check. This is the supply. 233. It must have this point must have 5 volts. 5 volts. I have do this many times because of that I know what's the voltage. See, the voltage is present but have no power. See? Okay, let's check this switch. Maybe it's not working. Let's try that switch. Maybe the switch is problem, or let's check. Switch. See, switch is working. The problem may be this IC, system IC, or maybe this. If in my own experience, if this display have a problem, there are too many LED lights inside. If the LED lights inside is shorted, the program, the system is not working properly. The control is not working properly. Sometimes it will not heat up, and sometimes no power. It's already repaired by other. It's already repaired by someone, guys. Sorry bro, my English, guys. But I'm trying to speak to understand what I'm talking about, to understand you what I'm talking about. But probably maybe system IC or this. Let's try to remove and check the lid inside. Sometimes if I remove this, the power goes on. Let's try. Let's try to remove. I will not cut the video. Let's fix it without cutting the video. Keep on watching, guys. Kay tagal kitang hinanap-hanap, hindi masihilaya. Kita kay hindi ako papayag sa piling ko. Nawalay ka. Okay, let's try to remove the display. Display. Kunin mo lang itong motor daw, boto. Parang mali yung wiring sir kasi ano eh. Pag nakasaksak siya, parang umiig yung meter. Pag tapat ko kasi ng ganun ano eh. Nakaka-ano ko ng init. Kaya namamatay siya ng ano eh. Yung ito siguro heater na. Problema hindi ko sanda yung wiring. Sa wiring siguro yan, sir.
Oo, alam ko. Ako, di ba sa magtanggal yan eh. Kasi ako masira niya mga tayo.
Parang kabaliktad yung wiring nun eh. Tanggalin na. Let's remove the lock inside.
Sabihin natin kasi.
Yeah,
Malakasan mo.
Mas kailangan mo ba? Lagay mo sa pinakamataas, 16 million. 10 million. Lagay mo sa 10 million. Tang 10 million, master. Hindi kasi na siya nalalaman pag bumaba lang yung range. Let's remove this, guys. This is the secret of Bico dryer. Sometimes the problem is there. If your ignition, see? If you have no such experience in vehicle repairing, you suspect this IC and nothing happen. Maybe this IC is broken. This lead is done. See? Sorry for my English, guys. I try to remove that LED and then try to switch on again. Let's see. Let's try. See? It's working now. That's the secret of Bico. That's the Bico. See? It's working. This is a Bico dryer. I'm gonna show you the machine.
يوم 3 مرة يسكر هذا باب ويشوف هذا باب مفتوح 3 مرة.
See guys, just replace the lid, the shorted lid, and it will work properly. Okay, we replace the lid. It's working now. I gonna cut this video guys because I need to take a look for these parts. It takes time too long to get the parts. Huh? I'll be back. Keep on watching guys.